Do you feel like your heart is beating 10 times faster than usual when you are about to give a speech in a public platform? And sometimes you'll even feel like some hot fire is burning inside your stomach. And sometimes you will even feel like you're going to have a heart attack. The only thing which I want to tell you before I tell you the steps for how to not be nervous while public speaking is, it totally happens. It is okay to be nervous. You're not the only person who is getting nervous or who is in a lot of tension, because this has happened to every person who is a public speaker. And in today's video, I'm sure that I will be providing you with such steps which will definitely make you less nervous when you are about to give a speech in public. And at the end, I will give you one of the best tips where audience will be keep on listening to your speech till you finish it. And also it will give them a first impression, a first better impression about you on them, because first impression is the best impression. So keep watching till the end. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. The first mistake which you should avoid before you give a public speech is having a caffeinated drink. Many people will be thinking that if they have some of the drinks which are caffeinated, then they will get energy. They will be able to speak confidently in front of others. But that is a myth. That is totally a myth. The one thing you should do is just have water. That is enough. And when you have this caffeinated drink, your heart rate will increase and you will start shivering. Normally, without having anything, you will go and then you will start sweating, shivering hands, shaking hands, which will give an impression to the audience that you are not so confident and you are totally nervous wreck. So in order to avoid this, just have water instead of having caffeinated drinks. Second step is stop thinking about things which matter to you. Normally, there will be one or the other person in the group or in the audience who will have an eye on you 24/7. It might be a crush, or it might be a girlfriend, or it might be your parents, or it might be anything. So now, all you have to do is try to ignore that and concentrate on the content which you're going to deliver it. From this, you will be less distracted. When you're thinking about some of the things which totally matters to you in your life, you will definitely get distracted. Third point is know your content well. You cannot deliver a speech properly or you cannot do any presentation publicly if you don't know what you are going to present. At least you should have a 50% idea of what you are going to talk. So if you're prepared enough, if you're prepared well, then you are good to go. Because even though if you're getting nervous or even though if you're getting frustrated, you will have the content in your mind and you will be able to deliver it properly. If you know your content well, then no distractions, no people, nothing can stop you when you're giving a speech. Next one is engage with your audience. Just like failure is the key to success, audience engagement is the key to a better public speech. When you're asking your public that how are you, or you are trying to interact with your public, then that is a better way. Through this, your audience will come to know that he is asking questions, so he might be knowing something. Even though you have no idea about it, just shoot the question, because there will be one or the other person who is ready to answer the question. Next point is hold their attention. Never make them deviate from your speech. For this, how to do it? Be loud. Be louder so that each and every person can hear your speech. And body language is a must. And you just have to do something so that you can attract people, so that people's eye is always on you. And the next main point is removing your first stage of fear. First stage of fear, it might be physical or emotional. Symptoms like nausea or sweaty hands or feeling like going to the washroom again and again. So, how to remove this first stage of fear? If you want to remove this first stage of fear, you have to perform well in the first 2 minutes of your speech. speech. That first 2 minutes of your speech or presentation is the one which will decide whether you are going to give a good presentation or not. So how to give this first 2 minutes presentation in a better way so that people can keep on looking at us till the end of our presentation. All you need to do is having a visualization in your mind, all about power of your subconscious mind. So all you need to do is visualize your success in your brain, that I will go here, I will present well, I will engage with audience, I will remember my content, I will remember my speech, and I am going to do it well. So if you realize or if you visualize all these things in your mind before you go into a public speech, then that's done. If you are able to do the 2 minutes of your speech well, it's done. Because I have personally experienced it. Because if your 2 minutes, the first 2 minutes of speech is not good, not so well, then trust me, your whole speech will be a bakwas one and you cannot do anything for that. And the final bonus tip which I want to give you is, whenever you start a presentation, start with the question. Start with the question and start your presentation, and then at the end of the presentation you conclude with that answer which you have asked. From this, the audience will have a better impression about you and they will literally keep on listening to your speech even in the middle of your speech. So this is all I want to tell you in today's video. Tell me how you felt after watching this video, whether you have gained confidence. I'm sure that it will be at least 0.0001% helpful. If yes, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and tell me in the comment what all things you have faced when you were about to give a public speech. And if anything was common from the thing which I have told, drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, and until the next video.